Hey guys, so, it's 10 o'clock. I just came from down there, and here comes a dude, and I'm going up there, and it's cold. It's really cold. There wasn't any heat in the shelter, of course, and it's three-sided. One of the sides was covered in tarp, so it wasn't pretty, but it was a shelter. My sleeping bag kept me warm. Had my down puffy on half the night, and then that got hot, so not too bad. Anyway, it's a gorgeous day. I'll try and get some good views. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? Everybody that was in the shelter already passed. I just had second coffee, and I'll get there when I get there. It's just so beautiful. The cool thing is I've got these transition lens, so it makes it feel like it's like 5 o'clock at night, even though it's not. I have to look over to see how actually blindingly white everything is. You wouldn't be, yeah, that's how deep it is. That's my knee. You can't miss a step, or else you're sucked in. Anyway, I gotta go hike. Okay. All right. I keep saying okay. I know it's not okay. I know that ain't okay. I mean, this is gorgeous. This really is some of the most beautiful I've ever seen. Look at that. Each one of these is all windswept. Yeah, it's really beautiful. Pay attention to where you're walking. Okay, but it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I got like 7-8 miles till the shelter, and all of a sudden there's no sun. And I look up, because my glasses are all tinted, and I look over the rim, and sure enough, the clouds are nice and thick and dark and low. Yeah, who knows what tonight's gonna bring. I just gotta go 9 more miles though, or 8. It was 9 at the last shelter, and I've been hiking for, I don't know, 45 minutes, so probably 8. I've been going real slow, taking my time, because it's just gorgeous out here. You know, I wanna take it in while I can. It's gorgeous. Oh, just beautiful. I say that over and over again, but it's true. It's true. It's just really, really pretty. Anyway, more as it develops. Just talked to a guy that procured me oat sodas while we were in at Fontana Dam. Anyway, you see that peak right up there in the distance? That's not even 6 miles. I got 6 miles to go. That's like 4. I got 2 miles after that before I even get close. So I got a ways to go. But apparently that peak there, the tall one, and then all along that ridge and down that ridge, there's a beautiful view right there. But it's hand over fist climbing up rocks. I cannot wait. Look at the sky. Yeah, it's gonna be gorgeous. Oh man, and bam, look at that. Is that not gorgeous? Oh my God, mountains for days, clouds for days. A little white spot right in the middle of those hills right there. That's where I was standing before. Look, it's nice and green down in the valley, way down there. Look at this, isn't it gorgeous? This is that bald spot I was looking at. Amazing, amazing.